Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, according to place where location where you dey. My name na Area Baba. Na me I get all this area. E get something wey happen for my quarter today. We are not gonna like make the thing happen for any man again. When I hear me so, e get sound the way you wan go for money house. You hear that kind sound, go back. Like if you wan go for Banso money house, you reach for the money veranda, you hear this sound, rakamo, 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 go back. Know say pa for the compound, they do his homework. If you wan go for Okuman, his house, you reach for veranda, you hear this sound, Eluwe, 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 go back. Know say pa for that compound, they do his homework. Then if you wan go for Noniman his house, you reach for his front door, you hear this sound, Rakala, kefie rake, Rakala, kefie rake, Rakala, kefie rake, go back. Know say pa for that compound, he dey do his homework. No go make thing wey happen for my quarter happen for you. Because this homework of a thing, it just dey like motor wey dey drive, dey sleep, wey 1 second wey sleep catch you, you go find yourself for bush. Abeg, you wan reach for my house, a compound, you hear this sound, the one I don tell una so.